The Control Components Easel demo shows the H5CX timer and the H7CX counter. Both of these devices are wired to show use using the small fan operated by the pilot devices. By pressing the green pilot device, we turn on both the timer and the counter function as the fan turns on and off. So at this time, we're using the timer to time up to 10 seconds total time, and the counter to count up to number of 5 count operations before an output signal is given. Let me turn that off and reset both the counter and the timer. Let's take a look at the timer. The timer is our H5CX timing device. This timer can be programmed quickly by pressing and holding the mode key. Once the display changes, it shows us our time range. This can be set for hours, minutes, or seconds, and the decimal point can be moved for those same time ranges. Pressing the mode again brings us to the timer mode, whether you would have an up timer or a down timer, just by pressing the button once takes us to up or down. Pressing mode again takes us to the output mode. What type of output would be required? Pressing mode again takes us to the input signal time, either 20 milliseconds or 1 millisecond as needed. Back through mode gives us our input mode that you're looking at, either an NPN or a PNP input into the device. We'll leave this on NPN. Color is the display color. You can have that set for red, green, orange to green, red to green, green to red, red to orange, orange to red, green to orange, or orange to green. All different capabilities. In this case, we are set for green to red. Pressing mode one more time takes us to the set value upper limit at 999.9 in this case is fine for our application. And finally, the last time we press the mode key takes us to the key protect level. And this key protect level has 5 different level capabilities on how to lock out the different keys on the front of the timer. When I press and hold the mode key, we go back to the operation level. In this operation level, we then can set the individual counts for our time count, taking 10 seconds to 20 seconds, or up to 25 seconds, just by pressing the up or down arrows as needed. So in this case, I've just set the timer to 5 seconds, and we have it in an up mode, and it will count for the complete time that the fan is operating with the setup we have. So by pressing the power on button, the fan will come on, and we will continue to time through 5 seconds before we change the color of the timer and provide an output signal in the lower left-hand corner of the timer. You'll notice that the timer's output is not wired to the control component easel. So it shows the output on the timer itself, but there is no function to that output on the easel itself. These are different areas that you can show your customer as you discuss the timer on the Control Components Easel demo. Thank you for learning how to utilize the Control Components Easel demo to sell to your customers.